Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fund your Facebook ad account in Nigeria. Okay, so make sure you download the Facebook ad manager application. Okay, after that you want to open up the Facebook ad manager application. Okay, so download and open up the Facebook ad manager application. So from the top here you got to see the setting icon at the top. Tap and open the setting icon. Just tap on it and then it will take you here. So click on billing and payments. Just tap on it. Then when it takes you to this part, click on add funds. You can see the add funds option at the top. Click on it, and then when it takes you here, you're going to see the amount section. Okay, clear the default amount. Just clear the default amount that was there, and then put the amount that you want to fund into your Facebook ad account. So after that, you want to select on the pay you option. You can see the second option, pay you option. Click on it and then click on next button. After that, you click on the next button. So you wait for some seconds and then it would redirect you to your browser. Okay, so when it redirects you to your browser, you click on continue. Okay, make sure you see the pay you option if you're in Nigeria. So click on continue. All right, so wait for some seconds and then it will take you to this other page. Okay, so here you need to confirm the amount and then also put your card information. So now you need to start putting the long number in your card. Okay, so start putting the card number. So after putting the card number, you head over to the card holder name, which is the name on the account. After that, you want to click on the expiry month. So click on the month option and then select the month that the card will expire. Okay, so select the year that the card will also expire. So now you got to put in the CVV number, which is at the back of your ATM number. It's always 3-digit code. So you put in the 3-digit code at the back of your card and then click on the pay button. You can see the pay button under the CVV. Click on pay. All right, so when you click on pay, you wait for some seconds. Then it will redirect you to another page, and then here you wait for some seconds again. Okay, so when you get to this part, please don't click on anything. Just allow the countdown to finish. Okay, allow the countdown to expire. Okay, so just wait. Okay, now we are now being redirected to another page. Just wait for some seconds. Okay, now this is the final step where you need to enter a code that was sent to your phone number. Okay, the phone number that is linked to the account number that you're using. So now you got to verify and proceed. After you receive the code, that is the OTP code, then click on verify and proceed. Okay, so you wait for some seconds and then let's see how it goes. So now it says our transaction was successful. Okay, now let me take you guys to my ad account and see if our ad account has been funded. Okay, so I'll take you guys to my ad account and let's see if it has been funded. Let me go back and then you can see that my prepaid fund has now been added to 1,200. That means it was really successful. So that's it. So if this video was useful or educative, whatever you think it is, please drop that in the comment section and then like and subscribe for more important videos like this.